Hello, I just posted an announcement on the course website that the final exam has been changed into a culminating activity, and I just wanted to explain what that means and to explain the culminating activity. So the culminating activity will be worth 50 marks, just like the final exam was going to be, but it will not be 20% of your final grade. It will only be 10% of your final grade. So you will submit the portfolio, your portfolio entries in Unit 5, and that will be 10% of your final grade, and then you'll submit this culminating activity, which will be worth another 10% of your final grade, and then that will finish the course for you. Okay, so why is this happening? So as a brief introduction here, because the St. Michael's building is currently closed and it's not going to be opened again till at least Monday, January 17th, and it might be extended beyond that, we've decided to change the final exam into an assignment called a culminating activity, and this will be the final assignment of the semester. So I'd like you to read through the information on this page. I'd like you to listen to the rest of this video I'm making, and then if you have any questions, send me an email. Okay. In terms of the rules and the dates for this culminating activity, it will be completed online. It will be an assignment that will be released on the course website at 9 a.m. Monday, January 17th, and you must complete it and submit it by 3 p.m. Thursday, January 20th. So you'll notice those dates. Those are the same dates that I was using for my final exam week. So I was scheduling exam dates with you individually, and so many of you had already emailed me with the date that you wanted to write your exam, and it would have been for all of my classes. It would have been in between these dates right here, Monday and Thursday, the 17th to the 20th. So this assignment is going to be a timed assignment in a sense that you must complete it during these days, okay, just as if you would have completed the exam at some point during these days, okay. So make sure there'll be a Dropbox on the course website where you will submit this assignment, and make sure you do so by 3 p.m. Thursday, January 20th. I'll post an announcement at 9 a.m. Monday, January 17th, and I'll send you an email at this time as well, too, letting you know that the assignment is available and you can start working on it, and reminding you, again, that it must be submitted by Thursday at 3 p.m. When answering the questions in the culminating activity assignment, you must use your own words and ideas. It is based on the course content, and it is based on your own opinions and ideas. You cannot use words and ideas that are not your own. I can't grade work that was submitted by another student. I can't grade work that is from a website or that is from someplace else. You must use your own words and ideas. Okay? All right, in terms of the format, what the culminating activity will look like, it'll be broken up into 3 sections, and this is going to be similar to what I was going to do with the final exam. There'll be unit questions where you'll have to answer questions based on Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 to show that you understood the content in the course. There will be reading response questions where you will read an article that's related to Animal Farm and answer some questions. And by answering these questions, you'll demonstrate that you understand the article, that you can read and comprehend an article, and that you understand the book that we read this semester. And then lastly, there'll be a paragraph question where you have to explain your own personal experiences in the course in some way. I call it a course integration question because you'll have to talk about more than one part of the course at one time in the paragraph. Okay. In terms of the content, this is just a review of what we've covered this semester, so you can go over Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. I've got a little more explanation on what I'll expect of you in the reading response questions on the culminating activity assignment, and I've got a little more explanation on what I expect of you in the paragraph answer. Important study note here, any topics that are not listed here will not be on the culminating activity. I will only ask questions that in some way relate to this content right here. In terms of practice exercises, you can go through and do a review of Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. So here's some practice review questions. The questions on the culminating activity are not going to be the exact same as this, and I certainly cannot ask you about everything in the course. I'll probably just pick one specific topic from Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 and turn it into a question. In terms of reading response questions, you can do a practice reading response reading and answer questions right here. There'll be a different article related to Animal Farm on your culminating activity assignment. And yeah, the Unit 1 and 2 review questions, you already probably did them when you reviewed for the midterm test, but you can go back to Unit 2, Activity 3 if you want a reminder of the midterm review as well too. Well, that's about it. Again, check the website on Monday, January 17th at 9 a.m. You will see a final assignment that you need to complete called a culminating activity, and again, you'll have to complete it by Thursday at 3 p.m. If you have any questions, send me an email.